Tech news updates from SINGH Urs. In my videos I am going to update tech-related news around the world. Number 1. Microsoft releases free version of Teams to take on Slack. Microsoft today launched a free version of Microsoft Teams, its chat-based collaboration tool that's part of Office 365 and competes with Google's Hangouts Chat, Facebook's Workplace, and Slack. Number 2. Adobe is reportedly releasing a full version of Photoshop on the iPad in 2019. Well, this is a change in strategy. Adobe confirmed to Bloomberg on Friday that it plans to launch a full version of Photoshop for iPad. Number 3. Robot trains are slashing mining costs in Australia's Outback. Snaking through Western Australia's Outback, a driverless train has made the first autonomous delivery of iron ore from a Rio Tinto Group pit to a coastal port, as the number 2 miner looks to reap the benefits from a $940 million plan deploying the world's biggest robots. Number 4. Jack Dorsey loses 200k followers on Twitter after fake user purge. Twitter has been deleting so-called locked accounts as part of an initiative to cleanse the platform of bots. After the purge began, Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey said in a tweet, "I lost 200k followers." Twitter's own account lost the biggest amount, with its follower count down by more than 7.7 million. Number 5. Microsoft's free Whiteboard app for Windows is a dead simple way to brainstorm with your team. Microsoft has finally launched its Whiteboard app for Windows 10 devices. It's a free tool for collaborating on ideas with as many people as you like, and it's not half bad. Number 6. Oppo confirms plans to enter UK market. An Oppo spokesperson has confirmed the company plans to enter the UK market. Oppo recently applied for trademarks on 40 devices there, but we don't know which phones it plans to sell in the region. If Oppo makes its move soon, however, you could see the Oppo Find X arrive there. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to click like button on Facebook page and also subscribe YouTube channel SINGH Urs to see more videos.